Today I'm going to show you how to get next day delivery on Amazon. This is perfect when you need something urgently and can't wait for standard shipping times. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, sign into your account with your credentials. Now, here's something important to understand. While I'm not currently subscribed to Prime membership, if you want to enable next day delivery options, you'll need to subscribe to Prime membership first. This is the key requirement that unlocks faster shipping speeds. If you'd like to try it out without committing right away, Amazon offers a free trial period. To join the free trial, hover your mouse over Account and Lists in the top right menu bar. From the drop-down that appears, select Account. This takes you to your account management page where you can access various features. Next, locate and click on Prime. This section shows you all the details about Prime membership benefits and pricing. You'll see an option to start your free 30-day trial. Go ahead and click on that button. Amazon will then ask you to confirm your payment details. Select your payment method from the options available, then click Continue. Don't worry, you won't be charged during the trial period, but Amazon needs this information on file. Now that your Prime membership is active, you can start shopping with next day delivery. In the top search bar, type in your preferred product. Once you hit enter, the results page will load with various options. On the left sidebar, you'll notice several filtering options. Check the box beside all Prime. This ensures you're only seeing items eligible for Prime benefits, including faster shipping. Now, to specifically find items with next day delivery, look for the delivery day filter under the search bar. This filter is crucial because it shows you which products qualify for the fastest delivery options. Under the product prices, you'll see Prime free delivery on the next day displayed clearly. Browse through the results until you find the product you want. Once you've made your choice, click on it to open the product page. When you're ready to purchase, click Buy Now. This takes you directly to the checkout process. You'll be prompted to select your delivery address. Choose the address where you want the item shipped. After that, enter your payment method. Amazon will process this information quickly. Finally, click Place Order to complete your purchase. And there you have it. Your item is now scheduled for next day delivery. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.